organIQ, CHT's completely ecological product range for denim treatment. Introducing organIQ Seek, the newest member of the organIQ family. With its unique properties, organIQ Seek not only expands our product range, but also transforms it into our organIQ ecological modular system to allow a completely flexible and sustainable denim treatment. This modular system is essentially like cooking. You initially start off with a wide variety of ingredients that can be mixed and matched in any way possible to achieve your desired meal of choice. Or, in the case of organIQ, your desired type of denim finishing. Our modular system encompasses the use of normal front-loader washing machines, fog technology, as well as spray application allowing various combinations of different organIQ products, while also making the entire application process become completely and seamlessly interchangeable. This makes denim treatment as simple and efficient as never before. So, if you are a fan of less contrast and more flat looks, you can simply start your denim treatment by first applying a combi wash, a combined desizing and enzyme treatment, which eventually is followed up by an organIQ Seek treatment in water. You will receive a great-looking pair of denim specifically tailored towards your individual style. If you, however, prefer to have more contrast, you can just leave out the previously applied organIQ Seek treatment in water and simply replace it with our organIQ Fog treatment. You can also use organIQ Bleach. Again, you will receive a great-looking pair of denim. Our pair of denim can now be further enhanced by adding previous additional local bleaches on the front leg. Either spray organIQ Bleach or instead use organIQ Seek PAL locally and then follow up the treatment with yet again organIQ Seek in Fog. As you can see, with CHT's organIQ modular system, you have almost unlimited possibilities to build your own recipe for your desired jeans finish. And all of these treatments are, of course, on the highest possible ecological level.